Alright guys, so welcome to hopefully another fun unboxing. And again, as you guys know, sometimes you guys will ask, some of my awesome subscribers will ask, whoa, that's a lot of cool stuff that you keep showing on your channel. Well, I don't get to keep everything, so it isn't like that. I make these videos for you guys so you guys can see what you're getting. And, well, I don't get to keep everything, which is also a good thing because I'd run out of space really fast if I were to keep everything that I unbox. So here we go. Let's see. Let's get this open. Do not live in a mansion. Doesn't work like that. Ooh, look at that. It's an Apple device of some sort. We'll see what that's all about in the next video. So thanks for watching.
Likey.